Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Once that is the case for your content that you wish to capture, all you need to do is hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up at the bottom, letting you know that you can swipe up to share or swipe down to capture a longer version of a screenshot, assuming that content can be scrolled down, which home screen doesn't apply here. Now, once the screenshot has been captured, you can find it in your gallery application, and it will be visible under all photos. You can navigate also to the photos right here. As you can see, there it is. Or you can navigate into albums and locate it in the screenshots album. Now in here you'll find screenshots along with screen recordings. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.